In this video, I'll guide you through the how to add an application form on Squarespace. Whether you're setting up a job application or a client intake form, integrating a form into your site is a seamless way to gather information. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the page where you'd like the form to appear. Once there, look for the option to add block. This is your starting point for inserting a new form into your Squarespace page. When you click Add Block, you'll see a variety of content blocks you can choose from, but for this purpose, you'll want to select Form. This option is designed specifically to help you create customizable forms tailored to your needs. After you've added the form block, it's time to customize the fields. This is where you can really fine-tune the form to gather the specific information you're looking for. Click on the pencil icon, which allows you to edit and add fields. You have several options here. For example, if you're asking applicants to submit their resumes, you can add a file upload field. This enables users to attach documents directly to the form. Additionally, you might want to include a drop-down menu. This is particularly useful if you're looking to have applicants select a department or role they are interested in. You can populate this drop-down with options that reflect the various opportunities available. Another useful field is the checkboxes feature. This is perfect for collecting affirmative responses or agreements. For example, if you require applicants to agree to a non-disclosure agreement, NDA, as part of the application process, you can include this in your form. Simply add a checkbox and label it appropriately, making it clear that by checking this box, the applicant agrees to your terms. While customizing, remember that clarity is key. Ensure that each field is clearly labeled so applicants know exactly what information is required. It's also helpful to keep the form as concise as possible. While it's important to gather all necessary information, a lengthy form might discourage potential applicants. Streamlining the process by only including essential fields can make a big difference. Once you've customized your form to your satisfaction, don't forget to test it. Submit a test application yourself to ensure that all fields are functioning correctly and that files can be uploaded without a hitch. This will give you peace of mind knowing that everything is working smoothly before it goes live. Finally, decide where the application submissions should be sent. Squarespace allows you to set up email notifications so you're alerted whenever an application is submitted. You can find these settings within the form block customization area. Make sure to enter the correct email address or addresses to ensure that applications reach the right person or department. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an application form to your Squarespace site. Now you can efficiently collect and manage information, making your application process smoother than ever. Thanks for watching and happy creating on Squarespace.